We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at the 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment number 306. Let's go on in. The first door on our right is the bathroom. We'll pass by that after we see the rooms and the common space. Let's go on in over into the apartment. As we come around the corner, you can see here's the kitchen. We have the refrigerator, the dishwasher, the sink, microwave, stove, oven. We have plentiful cabinets and drawer space here in this apartment. Let's go see the living room space. You can see the dining table and chairs. We've got a couple tables and some seating, the 3-person and 1-person chairs. There's a air conditioner here in the window. This one has its TV mounted in the corner. We're in the northwest corner of Collegetown Court, so we're away from Dryden Road. We are tucked away behind some other buildings here in central Collegetown. This does reduce the street noise that you might get on some of the apartments in the front of the building. Let's go see some bedrooms. Here's bedroom number 1 on the right. Let's go into here. Bedrooms 1 and 2 are right next to each other. They are similar in size, but there'll be a different window configuration. So here's room 1. As we come in, there's a closet over on our right. Take a quick peek in there. All the rooms will have a closet. All the rooms will have a bookshelf, a desk and chair, a dresser, and a full-size bed. This room is facing to the north. That's the direction towards campus. So that's a look out the window of room 1. Let's go around and into room 2. So we're passing through the living room again, and as we go into room 2, you'll notice that this one has a second window. This is in the corner, so you have that north direction, and you also have a window to the west. So this will be the brightest of the bedrooms, same size as the previous room, but you are getting that second window, which is nice if you like a brighter room. So same size as the previous room, but you get the extra window here in the corner room. Let's pass through the living room again. We're going to go over into bedroom 3. So we're going across the entrance area. Bedroom 3 is our next room over here. Bedroom 3, the shape of this room is more square. So this is unusual. Most of the rooms are a rectangle size. This is a little bit more square in shape, so it does give a different feel to the flow of the room. So just a different way to set things up in here. There's the bookshelf. Closet is tucked over behind the door. Bedrooms 3 and 4 will be facing to the west, the same direction as the living room. Let's go on into room 4, which is next to room 3. This is at the end of the hall. Room 4 is the largest of the bedrooms. You can see the closet over here ahead of us. And over here, this is a little bit more floor space. This is just a slightly longer room. So the biggest room in the apartment is room number 4. Same furnishings, same functions. Also looking out towards the west. Again, there's the room. Let's go over into the bathroom. I like the bathroom in these 06 style apartments. They are the largest of the bathrooms we have here in Collegetown Court. So we've got more space, which is nice. You've got that full-size tub shower. There's the vanity and the toilet, and we've got some nice counter space over here. So that's a look at the bathroom. That was where we passed as we came in. That red door was the entrance. So that's a look at Collegetown Court apartment 306. We have this same layout of apartment on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 here in Collegetown Court. We're on the 3rd floor. We're in the northwest corner of the building, away from the street. This building is located at 208 Dryden Road, which is just above the main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road, right here in the heart of Collegetown at Collegetown Court.